AI coding agents are tools that help developers. They can understand codebases, which are collections of code files. This understanding allows them to provide better suggestions and fixes. These agents use machine learning. They analyze patterns in your code. This helps them learn how to recognize common errors and suggest improvements. AI coding agents can also understand the context of your code. They know how different parts of your codebase work together. This helps them give relevant suggestions. These tools can integrate with popular developer platforms. For example, they work well with GitHub and Visual Studio Code. This makes it easy to access their features while coding. AI coding agents also help with documentation. They can suggest comments and improve code readability. This makes it easier for teams to understand each other's work. In summary, AI coding agents are powerful tools for developers. They analyze, suggest, and integrate seamlessly into workflows. This helps improve coding efficiency and collaboration.